Hey, fellow content creators, ready to up your YouTube game in 2024? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to explore the coolest cameras that'll add that extra oomph to your videos. Come along with us on this journey as we uncover the warmth and brilliance these cameras bring to your content. From sharing your daily adventures to creating engaging tutorials, these picks have got your back. I have sorted through the options and put together my top choices for the best cameras for YouTube videos in 2024. No need to stress about finding the perfect fit. I've got all the details right here, easy peasy. But here's the best part. You can snag these fantastic cameras at the best prices. Just check out the links in the description below after this chat, because who doesn't love a good deal, right? Let's get started. Number 5. Nikon Z6 II. Here's my top pick for the best versatile mirrorless shooter. With a 24.5 MP BSI sensor, it nails low-light shots like a champ. Need speed? It hits 14 FPS for those fast-paced moments. Plus 4K UHD video at 60 pixels. Yup, it's got that covered. What caught my eye? Full pixel readout for top-notch video performance. It's not messing around with 3.5 times more buffer capacity than the OG Z6. Dual card slots, CIF Express/XQB and US Second SD for peace of mind during important shoots. Oh, and did I mention the improved AF performance? Comfortable, durable, and intuitive, the Z6 II's design is on point. And if you're into vertical shooting, it's quick ready. Need extra juice? USB-C power keeps you going during live streams or video shoots. Here's the deal, one mount for all your lenses. Compatible with Nikon Z and about 360 f-mount Nikon lenses with an FTZ adapter sold separately. Solid choice for serious videographers or anyone wanting a reliable, all-around camera. Number 4. Sony ZV-1. This is my top pick for the best compact camera that's got your back. Packing a 20.1 MP Exmor RS-CMOS sensor, this one's serious about quality. The lens. A 24-70mm Zeiss Vario Sonnar T with a sweet f1.8 to 2.8 aperture. Autofocus game strong with fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye autofocus, and tracking. Plus, that scythed about 3.0-inch LCD screen. Perfect for nailing those selfie shots. What caught my eye? 2 defocus background bokeh modes for that professional touch. And don't worry about lighting. Automatic exposure tracks faces like a pro. Need a good sound? The onboard mic and detachable windscreen have you covered. Here's the deal. Transitions from face to object are a breeze with the product showcase setting. And if you're an audio buff, the 3.5mm mic jack and MI shoe offer more possibilities. Number 3. GoPro Hero 10. It's my top choice for the best reliable action camera without the hassle. Here's the deal. The GP2 engine is a game changer. Snappy performance, responsive touch controls, and double the frame rate for seriously smooth footage. With a powerful 23 MP and 5.3K video at 60 fps, the Hero 10 steps up the game for high-res photos and videos. But what caught my eye? Unbelievable image quality, even in low light. Thanks to the water-shedding hydrophobic lens cover, say goodbye to water interference and lens flare. Hypersmooth 4.0. It's never been smoother. Perfect stabilization, improved low-light performance, and horizon leveling for that straight-shot footage. And for the tech-savvy, transferring photos and videos is a breeze with fast, reliable connectivity. Wireless upload via the Quick app or lightning-fast wired connection. You're cool. Number 2. DJI Pocket 2. Here's my top choice for the best pocket-sized performer. Why do I like it? Well, first off, it fits perfectly in your hand, bag, or pocket. Ready to roll whenever you spot something interesting. Plus, the 3-axis gimbal keeps your videos smooth, even when you're on the move. Great for those spontaneous shots or creative long-exposure photos. Active Track 3.0 is a game changer. It keeps you and your pals in the frame, no matter how you move. And for the not-so-techie, the AI editor does the editing for you. Clips, transitions, and music, all sorted for share-worthy content. Let's talk specs. A 1x1.7-inch sensor, 64 MP photo, and 4K/60 fps video. Hybrid AF 2.0 for sharp focus, and DJI Matrix stereo tech for detailed audio that brings scenes to life. Num 1. Insta361X2. It's my top pick for the best overall, pocket-sized camera crew that gets the job done without fuss. Why do I recommend it? Well, picture this. Super 5.7 key 360 capture. Shoot first in every direction and decide later on your favorite angle. Or go for steady cam mode for ultra-stable wide-angle footage. The flexibility is a game changer. And let's talk stability. No gimbal needed. The flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms keep your shots steady, ensuring your footage is on point. Oh, and it's not just for dry days. It's IPX8 waterproof up to 10 meters, 33 feet. Rainstorm or surfing, this camera's got you covered. Alright, there you have it folks. The rundown on the best cameras for YouTube videos in 2024. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or just someone who loves shooting quality footage, we've got you covered. From sharp image quality to smooth stabilization, these cameras are the real deal. Now, don't just take my word for it. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and grab the one that suits your style. If you found this video helpful, toss us a thumbs up. And hey, why not share it with your fellow creators or anyone looking to up their video game? Want to stay in the loop with all the latest content tips and reviews? Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon. You won't want to miss what's coming your way. Until next time, happy shooting.